Looks like Sam is just back from shopping. Hey Sam, what did you buy? Wow, Sam has bought a lot of pencils, erasers and crayons. These should last him for the whole year at school. Sam also has some pencils, erasers and crayons in his drawer already. Let's see how many pencils, erasers and crayons he has altogether. Let us start with the erasers. Sam bought 2 boxes of 10 erasers each. This makes 20 erasers. Sam also bought 3 more erasers. So Sam bought 23 erasers. Sam already has 4 erasers. So let us find how many erasers he has altogether. To find the total number of erasers, we must add 23 to 4. We first add the ones. 3 erasers plus 4 erasers make how many erasers? 7 is correct. 3 erasers plus 4 erasers makes 7 erasers. So we write 7 in the ones column of the answer. Well done. Now let us add the tens. There are only 2 tens, so we write 2 in the tens column of the answer. So Sam has 27 erasers altogether. Now let's look at the pencils. Sam bought 3 boxes of 10 pencils each. This makes 30 pencils. Sam also bought 5 more pencils. So Sam bought 35 pencils. Sam already has a box of 10 pencils and 2 more pencils. So Sam already has 12 pencils. Let us find out how many pencils he has altogether. To find the total number of pencils, we must add 35 to 12. We first add the ones. 5 pencils plus 2 pencils make how many pencils? 7 is right. Well done. 5 pencils plus 2 pencils make 7 pencils. So we write 7 in the ones column of the answer. Now let us add the tens. 3 tens plus 1 ten make how many tens? 4 is absolutely correct. 3 plus 1 make 4, so we write 4 in the tens column of the answer. So Sam has 47 pencils in all. Let us now look at the crayons. Sam bought 4 boxes of 10 crayons each. So Sam bought 40 crayons. Sam already has a box of 10 crayons. Let us find out how many crayons he has altogether. To find the total number of crayons, we must add 40 to 10. We first add the ones. 0 plus 0 is 0. So we write 0 in the ones column of the answer. Now let us add the tens. 4 tens plus 1 ten make how many tens? 5 is correct. 4 plus 1 make 5. So we write 5 in the tens column of the answer. So Sam has 50 crayons in all. Good luck with all your pencils, erasers and crayons, Sam. Use them wisely and do not waste them. When adding a 2-digit number to a 1-digit number or another 2-digit number, First add the ones and next add the tens.